Hello everybody, it's Jen. I have the March Flavor of the Month Card Kit by Scrapping for Less. The theme for this month is Let's Celebrate, and we are celebrating the anniversary of the Flavor of the Month Card Kit. I'm going to do the unboxing a little bit differently to move through this a bit quicker. So I have collection 1 out here now. The stamp set in this collection is called Ice Cream Celebrations, and this is by Scrapping for Less. The sentiments say, make it a double, all you need is ice cream, and ice cream goes great with celebrations, and it has this adorable little ice cream in a sundae bowl. The papers are also by Scrapping for Less. They're really gorgeous colors with the teal and the pink and the yellow. So we have a polka dot and a stripe. This pink paper with the adorable little cupcakes or muffins on the back. Some zigzag paper with some ice cream pattern. Another polka dot paper with the brown, which I love. And then these adorable little ice cream cones. Some cherries for the top of your sundae, and another ice cream cone pattern. And then this pink and white striped paper with some sprinkles on the back. The embellishments are some craft tags by Doris, so you get a few of these in your collection. And also these peel off sticker lines, and these are by Pappy Color. That's a new company, I haven't heard of them. And of course your sequins mix, which is a mix created by Scrapping for Less for the collection. So let's move on to collection number 2. Collection number 2 has this adorable stamp set by Sunny Studio. This is called Floating By, and the sentiments are floating by to say hello or happy birthday. And you get the balloons with a little bow and then some additional, I think those are just some little strings or streamers. Very cute. The paper is by Scrapping for Less. We have this really bright, fun pattern, kind of a herringbone or fishbone with the teal on the back. Some happy birthday banner paper with some signature Scrapping for Less red. We have the Make-A-Wish Happy Birthday pattern paper with some white polka dots on yellow paper. Some presents, so cute. And then some red and white diagonal striping on the back. We have some cupcake celebration pattern with some blue. And then these adorable little balloons. And then there is also some of this gold foil paper by Cardabella. And you get 3 different colors of that for the paper collection. You'll get some ephemera by Scrapping for Less, which matches the pattern paper perfectly. Really cute. Make-A-Wish, a cupcake, a gift bag, a cake, and a party hat. And you'll also receive some sequins by Scrapping for Less as well that match the paper perfectly. So that is collection number 2. Let's move on to collection number 3. Collection number 3 is all about celebrating baby and includes this adorable stamp by Your Next Stamp. Perfect for a baby card, or really versatile. You could make this a non-baby card just using the little bear and bunny stuffy. The paper is also by Your Next Stamp. This is called Sweet Baby. And the papers that I received in my collection is this blue pattern that matches the little building blocks here. And it's single-sided. So we also have this baby motif pattern paper, some polka dots, some versatile pink pattern paper, this one with the adorable little bunnies, and then the zigzag pattern paper as well. The embellishments are some banner or journal cards. These are by American Crafts. These are the two that I received in my kit. So cute. Some stickers, and these are also by American Crafts, and I can't get them picked up here. But these are the ones that were included in my kit. And then of course you get some sequins, and these are by Scrapping for Less, some versatile clear sequins in various sizes. So that's collection number 3. Collection number 4 is all about celebrating friendship, and it includes this adorable stamp by Stamping Bella. And this one is Snapshot I Heart You, which is absolutely adorable. This is a rubber stamp and has a great sentiment that reads, "A best friend is someone who loves you when you forget to love yourself." The paper included in this collection is Everyday Musings by Pink Fresh Studio. This really pretty, it almost reminds me of an origami background. Some leaf kind of motif paper, a floral print. It's really pretty bird paper. Some very versatile pattern here with some wording on it, and then this kind of floral motif as well. You'll also get some journaling cards by Pink Fresh Studio. So the one that I got in my kit is Everyday Musings, Life is Lovely, and Chase the Sun. There are also some cardstock stickers. These are also by Pink Fresh. And so mine have a few sentiments. This one, "There is sunshine in my soul," "Our story is magic," "Yes to this," and then an empty journaling spot. And of course the sequins, which was put together by Scrapping for Less. So a really fun friendship collection to celebrate in this month of March. So if you order the banana split level, you'll get everything that I've already shown, which is included in the Double Dip Sundae. And you'll also receive this new custom Hooray die by Scrapping for Less, and they have their dies colored in red, which is kind of fun. You'll get this sentiment stamp that includes sentiments: "A new baby to love," "Let's have a celebration," "You make me smile brighter," and "Another birthday, time to celebrate." You'll get some borders by Find It Trading. And then a full size of the Nouveau Morning Drops will be included in the banana split level. So I'll show you the cardstocks, and then we can move on to creating some cards. So with every kit, you'll get 4 envelopes to send out your crafty creations in. The color cardstock this month is Craft, Night Shift Blue, Gumdrop Green, Banana Split, Hot Fudge, and Red Hot. And of course you get 2 sheets of Nina 110 pound Classic Crest Solar White Smooth cardstock. So that's the kit for this month. I hope you enjoyed seeing a sneak peek into the unboxing, and I will have a corresponding card video up for you to watch. Take care everybody, have a great day, bye.